It's not even going to put a dent in it. It puts a dent in it, but that's about it. Speed is too high, can't adjust the speed. I'll go through a couple of blades. I don't know if I'll get this done or not. I may have to do something else. Although I am actually really impressed with how well just this is holding. So I've got a Bessie in there, put it in the Bessie slot, right? And that's round, which isn't easy. And I tighten it down, and this is doing really well as far as holding goes. Again, what I should have had was either my Sawzall or cutting, you know, a circular thing with a small circular thing with a cutting blade on it. Been at it for about 5 minutes, hardly made a dent. Not going to happen. I'll have to figure out a different alternative for now.